Welcome to North Star Manufacturing Animation Instructions. First step, we're going to look at the chart from the instruction sheet. As you look at the top, there's positive and negative camber. We're going to do a positive 2 degrees of camber, and on the left side is caster. We're going to do 0 degrees of caster. As we zoom in here, you will notice that there is a V over R. V represents adjusting the inner bushing. R will represent adjusting the lower bushing on the vehicle. First step, we adjust the inner bushing to the V to the slot, and then adjust both bushings until the R is to approximately to where the wheel is on the vehicle. And then we install the bushing and finish our alignment.